Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorials. Today for this video of Quick Tech I will be showing you how to delete your SoundCloud account. So you need to open a SoundCloud account in the web browser as you cannot delete your account from the mobile application. Open any browser on your PC and then open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in soundcloud.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page. Here on the official web page of SoundCloud, you need to get logged in into the account first. So click on sign in. Now to sign in, you type in your email address. Then click on continue. Now type in the password. Then click on sign in. This will get you signed in into the account. Now here you need to move the mouse cursor to the horizontal line over here. Click on that and then click on settings. On the account setting page you need to scroll down and you will see the option of delete account. You click that. Why are you choosing to delete your account? You need to provide a reason for why you choose to delete your SoundCloud account. I'm just going to choose a random one and then click on yes, I want to delete my accounts, all track, comment and start. Then tap on delete my account. We've received your request to delete your account and it will be deleted shortly. If you change your mind or accidentally deleted your account, here is a short window of time during which you can recover it. So they have received the request to delete your account and it will delete it shortly after some time. But if you want to recover it, you can just get logged in with the account credential. So tap on OK, got it. That will get you logged out as well. So this is how you can delete your SoundCloud account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.